The third house is the house of communication, helping us share ideas, connect with others, and take part in everyday life. This house also rules thoughts and ideas, showing how the mind notices, processes, and responds to the world around it. The third house supports writing, speaking, and everyday expression, helping us turn thoughts into something others can understand. This house also relates to siblings, neighbors, and the close connections that shape our daily environment. The third house strengthens the rational mind, encouraging learning, observation, questions, and practical intelligence. At its highest expression, the third house helps us understand our local world clearly, while balancing everyday knowledge with the wider wisdom of the ninth house.